Hi, welcome back to Sandy Says. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the wheels from the Allen 2-in-1 child trailer and stroller. I had to make sure I said that right. But before I get into this tutorial, I just want to remind you, if you are new, please hit that subscribe button. I upload videos 3 times a week, always a video on a children's toy, next on a baby gear item, and third on an activity that your kids will be sure to love, and we would love to have you. So let's get into this video. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your stroller on its side, and that gives you better access to the wheels. And then underneath the wheel, you are going to find the latching pin. So unhook that by pulling it out. You do have to squeeze a little bit, and then the end should pop off. Pull the pin out, and then the wheel will lift right up. Next thing you want to do is flip the stroller over, and then repeat the process with the second wheel. To remove the front wheel, it's a very similar process. The only thing you want to make sure is that the hook on the top of the pin, that is facing the top of the stroller. Otherwise, you will struggle like I did here. Once that's facing up, you just unhook the pin like you did before, slide the pin out, and then pull the wheel off. And that is it for today's video. If you have any comments, any questions or comments, please comment down below. I would appreciate it. Check the description box if you need a review video or a tutorial on how to assemble or how to attach this to your bike. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.